Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying licensing and identity. This ensures devices can register. Once done, create or verify an onboarding service account and give it minimal needed permissions so the portal can manage devices. Next, prepare Intune or your chosen MDM and register the tenant in the Defender portal. This links signals. Make sure to gather a prioritized device list and network segmentation details so onboarding targets are clear and efficient before proceeding to deployment. You now onboard devices. Choose Intune, group policy, or local script deployment depending on scale. Deploy the generated package to a pilot group first to validate communication and policy application. Then create targeted EDR and antivirus baselines, set telemetry level, alert severities, and automated investigation scope. Once pilot results look good, roll policies to remaining groups. Also enable exploit and cloud protection, so preventative controls are active while you expand coverage across your environment. You finish by validating end-to-end telemetry and response actions, confirm devices report, alerts flow, and automated investigations run. Then tune detections and exclusions to cut false positives and avoid disrupting business apps. Once tuned, document response playbooks and assign owners for investigations. If onboarding or detections fail, capture logs, run the built-in support package, and review onboarding tokens and network connectivity. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun the onboarding script on a failing endpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.